Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. I'm here today to unbox the August 2019 Simon Says Stamp card kit. So excited to be back with you guys today unboxing a card kit from Simon Says Stamp. Unfortunately, I missed out on July's kit. I actually ordered it and it never showed up. And when I contacted them, I guess they had to have something manufactured. They were waiting on that. It was going to be a few weeks and I was like, not worried about it. So I went ahead and got August because hello, it's adorable. So as always, get a sucker. This is apple pie. Rob may like that. Get a little storybook guides, a little panda, and it's cute. Get some envelopes. They throw in envelopes every month, so you get 2 of those. One's in pink and one is in white. Let me pull this out. This is what tells you what's in it, and then it gives you some inspiration. So we get the Party Like a Panda 6x8 stamp set. How adorable is this? I love the balloons. I love these 2 fonts. So it's yours. I can't believe I missed the party. I'm here for party and all the cake. Party time. Party like a panda because birthdays only happen once a year. Oh my gosh, did I seriously forget your birthday? Hip hip hooray, it's party time. Let's celebrate. I'm so sorry. Hooray. The party is going to be stupendous. You're allowed to cause as much pandemonium as you like. And then you get a star balloon, a heart balloon, and then 2 regular balloons along with the happy. Get some stars and some little scatter things, confetti, get 3 presents, and then the 4 pandas. Look at this one, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I thought the bee one was adorable too. It's by the same illustrator. I don't know who illustrated this, though. Is it Christina? Whoever did it. This is adorable. So cute. So you get that. Then you get these Deco Foil flock transfer sheets. Get them in black and white. Huh. Oh, you have to use it with... Huh. You can use it with adhesive sheets or with transfer gel. So we'll play around with that for sure. This looks like Doodlebug? Doodlebug? Yep. It doesn't say which collection of Doodlebug though. I'm glad they put them in something like this instead of just random sheets like we've had in the past. What is this? Oh, this is the adhesive sheet for the flocking, Misty. Duh. So it's this cute little, this looks like a birthday from Doodlebug. Or just random? This doesn't look like it belongs to just one collection. Maybe it does. I'll have to look it up. If you guys know what collection this is, let me know down below. Yeah, this is random because this is from the Easter. This was from the Easter or the Simply Spring. So maybe this is just a random mix of Doodlebug. It's cute. Cute. Very much birthday themed. So we will be doing some birthday cards for sure. Interesting to try the flocking. That will be fun. I know that you can buy flock that will stick to, what's it called? Like, first, like embossing, like you can like embossing flock. So there's adhesive sheet, and then as far as cardstock, we got peacock teal, doll pink. That's what color that envelope is in. Black and white, 120 pound. That's pretty thick. And then a Spectrum Noir clear overlay sparkle pen. So this is very much like the Wink Stella and the Nuvo shimmer pen. Let me go ahead and test this out. Let me find a scrap piece of cardstock. You can test this out on. Let's see if this is gray. So here is this Nuvo, the Tonic Nuvo pen. Here's the clear Wink Stella. And then here's the Spectrum Noir. This is so much bigger. So this shimmer is very much like the, dang, this is a lot. That's just spreading all over the place. This shimmer is very much like the Nuvo. You can see those there. The brush on this though is a bit more firm, or it was. So yeah, this is going to be a fun kit. I can't wait to start crafting. I don't know how many cards we'll do, but we'll do until I can't do anymore. Some cards made for sure. I love all these. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. Cute. All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.